Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep up with our analysis of the cryptocurrency today. Thursday is right at the eve of the release of significant data. So today we will get gross domestic product, personal consumption, retail sales, and so on. So currently, well, we have actually no questions to the performance of the Bitcoin market because it's very accurately follows to the shape of the pattern that we have started actually discussing a few weeks ago. So once we have seen the possible targets, this type of the performance, we said, well, it's most probable that we have some reversal pattern here, which should be the head and shoulders. And first we were trading it up to the head, then down to the neckline with our XOP that we discussed last time. And now, as we suggested, this should be 28.50 an average area where it should be the form, the pairing of the right shoulder's top. And yesterday, as you can see, market actually has made this upper direction. So mostly we said that market has reached the level where the top of the right arm should be formed. But this has happened, as you can see, a bit faster. So that's actually what's has happened right in a single session. Still, despite these moments, we see divergence in place. Here is also might be the bearish grabber to be formed, the pattern that we need to keep an eye on. So let's take a look. Market is flirting with the MACD predictor. And if later this will be some more extended spike with attempt to complete as a reaction on some data release, market will form the grabber. That will be great background for a possible downward continuation and completion of the ABCD pattern based on the hand shoulders right around 25 area that we are watching for currently. So currently we could say that market stands an important point for hand shoulders patterns because, as you know, right on the top of the shoulder, it should be chosen the direction. If hand shoulder starts failing, market keep going higher back to the head, it means that market will make an attempt to break it up and keep going higher, while downside reaction and actually reversal on the top of the right arm tells us that market is going together with the pattern and we should get the target of this hand shoulders somewhere around 25 area. That's the points to keep an eye on. So if you would like to take the short position, that's the area definitely for you where you have to make the decision. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see how this performance has happened right to the upside. This market hits precisely the 618 resistance level, 29.50. So it totally agrees with the idea of the hand shoulders. And let's take a look. Right arm stands mostly in the same area where the left arm stands. So here is no and we have no some significant surprise or something of that sort. So everything stands rather accurate. On the hourly chart, with this performance after the collapse down, market shows minor upper direction, forming the grabber. So suggesting the drop right back down. So it's theoretically this could be the pattern that points in some downward continuation. But to be honest, as you understand, this everything will depend today on the data release. I think from that standpoint, I think that appearing of the grabber on a daily chart seems more important. So if you do not want to take this risk and take the position before data release, just watch for appearing of the grabber on the daily chart. If it will be formed today, this will be less risky and more comfortable for taking the short position with probable stop somewhere above this area. If you're do not want to wait, you could make some other decisions. For example, you could take the part of your position right now and then wait what will happen on data release and whether the grabber will be formed or not. So then add more if everything will go with the plan. But currently at this point, we do not see that this pattern is broken and that the Bitcoin is ready to go higher and break it up. So mostly the shape stands well here and we do not see any reasons to deny it, at least at this point. We do not see currently the clear bullish signs that could tells us that hand shoulders is broken and actually we should expect some strong rally immediately. So from that standpoint, we would better to consider taking the short position at this moment rather than taking any long position. But as I said, to get more insurance with the taking the position, wait for the data release and wait for confirmation of the possible grabber here. That will be a bit more easy to do this, to make a solution after this will happen. At least you avoid the volatility that could happen on the moment of the release of the gross domestic product and other statistics. So that's what we have currently on the crypto.